If you love Cursor's editor but want Claude's raw coding power, you no longer have to choose. By wiring Claude Code into Cursor, you get Anthropic's most capable model working alongside your favorite AI editor. Here is exactly how to set that up. Before anything else, you need Claude Code installed on your machine. Open your terminal and run the official install command from Anthropic's documentation. It installs via npm. Make sure you also have an active Claude Pro or API subscription, because Claude Code requires authentication to run. Once installed, run the login command in your terminal to authenticate Claude Code with your Anthropic account or API key. You will see a confirmation once it is linked. This step is what gives Claude Code access to the full model. Do not skip it or future commands will fail silently. Now open Cursor and load the project folder you want to work on. This is your working directory, and both Cursor and Claude Code need to be pointing at the same folder. Having them in sync means every suggestion and every edit targets the same files. Inside Cursor, open the integrated terminal. You can usually find it under the View menu or with a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl and Backtick. This terminal runs inside your project root, which is exactly where you want Claude Code to operate. Keeping everything inside Cursor avoids constant window switching. In that integrated terminal, type the command to start Claude Code, typically just Claude followed by Enter. Claude Code will spin up an interactive session scoped to your project directory. You now have the full Claude model available in a terminal right next to your code files. Now type a concrete task, for example, refactor a specific function, write tests for a module, or debug an error you are seeing. Claude Code reads your actual files, understands the full context of your project, and returns edits or explanations. The more specific your prompt, the more precise the output. Before any changes are applied, Claude Code will show you exactly what it plans to edit. Read through the proposed diff carefully, check the logic, the variable names, and any dependencies touched. Approving code you have not reviewed is the fastest way to introduce subtle bugs into production. Here's where the combo gets powerful. After Claude Code makes edits, switch to Cursor's built-in AI panel to ask follow-up questions, explore the changed file, or generate UI components around the logic Claude Code wrote. You are using two AI layers, one for deep file-level work, one for in-editor assistance. Claude Code is conversational, so you can iterate quickly. Type a short follow-up, add input validation, or write a unit test for that function, and it builds on what it already knows about your project. This tight loop between prompts and edits is where you start saving serious time compared to doing it all manually. Install Claude Code, authenticate, open it in Cursor's integrated terminal, and you have a powerful two-layer AI setup: Claude Code for deep project-wide edits, Cursor for in-editor assistance. Always review proposed changes before you accept them. Try this on one of your own projects this week and see how much faster your coding workflow becomes.